Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy pork belly. First, let's prepare our pork belly for maximum flavor and crispiness. Begin by scoring the skin deeply, making sure not to cut into the meat itself. This helps render the fat and achieve that perfect crackling. Next, pat the skin very dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of crispy skin. Finally, season generously with salt and pepper, ensuring every surface is covered. Now let's infuse our pork belly with incredible flavor. Prepare a delicious spice rub using 5 key ingredients, such as garlic powder, paprika, and a touch of brown sugar. Rub this mixture all over the meat side. Then, place the pork belly skin side up in a roasting pan. Roast it at a high temperature, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes. This initial blast of heat helps kickstart the rendering process and begins to crisp the skin. After the initial high-heat roast, it's time to achieve that melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Reduce your oven temperature to a gentle 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking the pork belly for an additional 2 to 3 hours. This slow cooking process allows the fat to render beautifully and the meat to become incredibly succulent and fork tender. You can also add about 1 cup of chicken broth or water to the bottom of the pan to keep things moist. For the grand finale, we'll achieve that irresistible, bubbly, crispy skin. Increase your oven temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, keeping a close eye on it to prevent burning. The skin should be golden brown and crackling. Once done, remove the pork belly from the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute. Finally, slice it into 1-inch thick pieces and enjoy your perfectly yummy pork belly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.